Okay, so the last type of page that we need to learn how to make is a list page. Um, Not a lot of uses for this that I have come across, but the one best one would maybe be links. Let's say we'll make a links page, put it at the top level, create a page, and there's different types of lists here that you can create. I guess this one's for tracking a project. There's like to-do list type list where people can check off when they get stuff done. So you can play around with these different types of lists. But a very simple one, we're going to create custom. And you can make the different types of columns of information that you would want. So the first one I'll put link, because that's going to be the actual link that we're looking for. And then the next column that'll go next to it, I'm going to put description, where people will see what type of link it is. Okay. And then under type, you can put what type of interface that you want. So you can have checkboxes. So let's say it's a to-do list type thing, or maybe a syllabus type list of assignments students can check off when they're done. You can maybe have a list of dates. So let's say it is syllabus again. You can list all your assignments and have dates, or just regular plain old text. So since this is a description, we're going to make plain old text. But in our links, obviously, we want that to be something that can be linked to, so we're going to make a URL. That means Universal Resource Locator, fancy word for website. So use URL for a link. We'll hit save. And now our links page has our list. And to add an item, real quick, let's say you find a cool science website, whatever it is you want to add here. Just for our intents and purposes, we'll do one I know off the top of my head, CNN.com. What text do you want to display? You would put here. So I'll just put CNN. So under web address, that's the actual link. The display text, that's what will show up as your link, what the student will actually click. And that's column 1. Column 2 is our description. And notice we get a text field. We're just going to put world news under description. We'll hit save. And now you can see our link is right here. And world news is our description here. So a student can click on that and it'll take you to CNN.com. Yay. Alright, go back. Let's say we want local news too. So let's add an item. Web address www.ajc.com. Display text. Atlanta Journal-Constitution there real quick. I can't spell and talk at the same time. Constitution. Description, we'll put local newspaper. / Now we have two links. Let's say a student wants to sort them. You can sort by ascending. And the student will be able to do that. Anybody that's using your website can sort by whatever fields you have. So let's say I added date. They could sort by date. Maybe if you had a list of assignments, for instance, they can sort by the name, the type, or the date. Or if you had checkboxes, they can sort by the ones that are done and not done. So this actually adds a nice little interactive type of information for your students. So some uses for this would be links, assignments, to-do lists, things like that. Alright, so go ahead and create your own links page and you will be done with this assignment. And then you'll have a complete website, sample website created. And then you'll move on to lesson 2, which is how to actually make your website more interesting by adding pictures and videos and etc.